Okay, so this is the third part of the intro, and this is the main riff. This is definitely what comes to everyone's mind when they think of Enter Sandman. Okay, let's check it out at the full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, actually that last E chord is kind of, connected to the next verse, the upcoming verse. But yeah, let's put that in to show where the riff ends. Right, we've got an E power chord starting. Okay, so this is just like a typical E power chord. That comes on the 8th note before the bar. So the last 8th note, fore end, if you like. Okay, it doesn't come on the beat. You probably noticed that with more riffs that we did for the intro as well. Now, we've got these two strokes of an E power chord. And then what happens? I'm sliding to the 7th fret of the A. We've done this before, just slide from nowhere. And then fret 6 and 5 on the low E. And I'm going to put a white vibrato on that A note on the 5th fret. Yeah, before going to a muted low E note. And that's what closes this sort of fraction of the riff that repeats 3 times. So let's do that slow. 3, 4. After the 3 times, we've got the sort of closing of this riff, which goes like this. Yeah, so what's happening here? We've got a G power chord, just an open G power chord. Then a series of muted things. Muted low E, muted F sharp 5 chord now. And that happens twice. E, F sharp 5, E, F sharp 5. And this time a muted G5, back to the muted F sharp 5,